Hi, welcome to Gumbo Limbo's virtual Seashell creations. My name is Susan Elliott. Let's begin by taking a look at some of the projects that have been created over the years during our Ornaments Naturally program. You may have even attended this program in the past. It's always fun working with others, sharing creative ideas, and watching each other's projects take shape. But we can't exactly do that this year, so let's do the next best thing. Let's get creative with each other and the people in our homes. You can make a variety of different creations, from flowers to animals to holiday ornaments. Let's take a closer look at some. These are some flowers that we've made with shells and hot glue. Using pine cones, we've created owls and penguins. Jellyfish make a beautiful addition to any decor. How about a spider for Halloween? Or a sea turtle resting on some jingle shells. Or even some pelicans. Here are a few examples of holiday ornaments that can be made. Shells are very easy to attach a loop to, and they're ready to go. Snowmen made from sea urchins. Rudolph made from cinnamon sticks. You can even use the glass fillable ornaments and put in some shells, sand, and a little bit of glitter. Are you ready to begin? Hopefully you have reserved and picked up your free craft kit. In addition to your craft kit, you will need a hot glue gun, preheated, and a safe workspace. You will also want to cover your workspace with something to protect it from the hot glue. You can pause this video at any time if you need a couple minutes to catch up. We're going to start with a super simple star made from beautiful olive shells. Pull out your 5 large olive shells and place them upside down in a star shape with the points facing in. The edges must be touching in the middle. Now gently squeeze out some glue over each of the spots where the shells touch. This is the back of the star, so you can be generous with the glue. Once the glue is cooled, carefully lift the star and flip it over. The snails that made these shells live on and under the sand in the shallow parts of warm oceans, which is why they are fairly common on Florida's beaches. Now take your round center shell, squeeze some glue over the center of the star, and gently press the shell to the star. And voila, your own shell creation. Now, if you're the type who prefers a little bling, you can use white glue to add glitter, sequins, or beads to your star, like this. You could even add something to hang it with. Pretty easy, huh? Do you think you're ready to take on the shell creation wreath now? You can take a break if you want, or else go ahead and get your grapevine wreath ready. The first thing we will do is wrap the wreath with ribbon. Next, arrange the shells around the wreath the way you would like them. Once you have decided where they are going, one at a time glue the shells to the wreath, using less glue than before. This is, after all, the front. Lastly, add the pine cones, bells, and berries for that finishing touch. You have created a masterpiece. I hope you've enjoyed crafting your own Gumbo Limbo shell creations today. Bringing nature indoors is one of the ways that I've adjusted to being indoors a lot more than usual. Use your imagination. See how much of the outdoors you can bring inside. We'd love to see what you make on your own. Follow Gumbo Limbo on Facebook, check out our videos, and post your own natural creations. Happy holidays, friends, from all the staff here at Gumbo Limbo Nature Center. May 2021 be the best year yet. Susan Elliott, signing off for now. Bye.